Benefits of veneers. Dental veneers have several benefits. Cosmetically repair teeth easily, offer a natural appearance, minimally invasive procedure, a quick cosmetic fix for chipped teeth, misshapen teeth, discolored teeth, gaps between teeth, permanent and durable. Permanent tooth whitening, viable treatment for enamel loss, were introduced by Dr. Charles Pincus in Hollywood in 1928 to enhance an actor's appearance for close-ups in the movie industry. Dr. Pincus used thin methyl methacrylate veneers that he affixed temporarily with denture adhesive for filming and then removed afterward. Today, everyone wants a Hollywood smile. There are many philosophies about how to prep for a porcelain veneer. Each camp is fiercely loyal to the dogma of their methods. The truth is, as with many techniques in dentistry, it should be dependent on the individual patient's specific situation and goals. What I seek to accomplish in this article is to present three variation types of veneers. Composite resin, comprised of a methacrylate resin and an inorganic filler. Like glass, resin veneers are the most affordable option. Porcelain. Porcelain veneers are mostly glass, but without a clearly defined crystal structure, and are stronger and more durable than composite resin. Lithium disilicate. Lithium disilicate are ceramic veneers that combine the metal lithium with silicon, giving it a translucency that matches surrounding dentition. Zirconia. Another ceramic material, zirconia oxide, is opaquer than lithium disilicate and is strong, stain-resistant, and biocompatible.